Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Sky again in 2024. Okay, so in this video we go to the lesson 1 programming with Angry Bird. Okay, for the first puzzle is we have a video that introduced you about the Code Studio and the block code. So you can watch this video, but for me I just skip it and go to the puzzle 2. Before we start this puzzle, you have to read the instruction first. For the first puzzle is you have to drag all of the block together and click run to watch it go. Okay, so you just drag these two block of code. Okay, like that, and after that you click run to watch it. Okay, so you can see that Angry Bird move forward for 2 steps and reach the peak. Okay, so this program is complete, or this puzzle is completed. Okay, you can reset it and you can take it step by step. You can click step. Okay, this code is processing. Okay, now it's work, so you can click one step again, and then the second line of code it's work. Okay, so the code is works line by line like that. Okay, so you just click continue to go to the next puzzle. Okay, now the puzzle 3. Okay, drag an extra move forward blocks out of the toolbox to finish the code. So in the workspace you have to move forward block. Okay, but the problem is when you run, the Angry Bird is not reached to the peak. Okay, so what you have to do is keep coding. Something is not quite right yet, so what you have to do, just drag the move forward block once again. Okay, to down there. Okay, and click reset and run again. Okay, continue to the puzzle 4. It's fun, right? So you can go to puzzle 4 in this instruction. This pick a ruffling. Okay, my feathers. Okay, there is one extra block that is going to cause the bird to crash. Okay, so throw it away by unhooking it from the gray box and drag it back to the toolbox. So for this you can run it first to see what is problem happened here. So you just click run. Okay. So you can see that Angry Bird is move forward for 2 steps and reach to the crush like that. So what you have to do is to delete something from this one, from here. The problem is we used move forward for 2 times, for 2 steps. So this one is you use only one. So you just drag it out to the toolbox. Okay, so like that. And run again. Okay, that's cool. Continue to puzzle 5. Okay, track the path and leads me to the chili pig. Okay, avoid TNT or feather will fly. Okay, so this one is TNT and you have to use only 6 block of code. So what you have to do is move forward 1, and after that you can turn the Angry Bird to right. Okay, and move forward, and then turn left and then move forward. I think this one is completed. Run. Okay, let's go. That's cool. Continue. Okay, follow this path to get me to the peaks. Avoid TNT. Okay, so that's cool. So you need to move forward for 2 times. 1, 2, and after that turn to left and move forward 2 times again. So this completed. Okay, continue. Um, Keep calm and help me find the peace. Otherwise, I might get angry. Okay, so get a bird to the peak and avoid the TNT. So you have two ways to go. You can go up or down like that. So, and another one you can see another block of code is called repeat block. Okay, so what is a repeat block? I show you later. So from now, I use only the move forward. But before move forward, you have to turn it left or right. If you want to go up part, you can turn left and the down part here. Okay, you can use turn right. So I go up there and turn left, and after that I turn or move forward first, and after that I turn right again, and then move forward for 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so 3 times. Okay, your Angry Bird will be here and turn right again, and then use move forward again. So you can see this. We used 9 block of code of 9. Okay, so you can click run and see. Okay, so you complete it. So now I use the repeat block. Repeat block is can help you to do something when the code is work repeatedly or it the same again and again and again. So like this, you can see you move forward for 3 times, right? So before you turn right. So for me, or you can use it by the repeat block and use only one move forward block. And for this, you can use 3 times. It means that you use the move forward 3 times, or it means that it run 3 times, and you can delete these 2 block of code. Okay. So now you can see we use only each block of code. Okay, each of 9 block. Okay, so you can run and see the result. It will be the same. Okay, so this is the repeat block. You can use it. Okay, so let's go to the puzzle X, and it's time to get angry. Okay, challenge this source. This code has a lot of bug. Okay, so you need to remove some block and add order. So before you solve the problem, you can click run and see what problem. Okay, run. Okay, move forward, turn right is okay. Okay, the problem is here. The problem is the move forward here. So you can delete it and move it here. You can run here. Forward, move forward, turn right, and after that turn left. Okay, turn right, move forward. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you can see the problem. Okay, delete the move forward again, and after that you can use the turn left. Oh no, turn right. You can click the drop down menu here, click right, and move forward again. So we use the 13 block of 13 block. Okay, so that's the one. This time it might work. Okay, I'm sure 100%. Okay, that's right. Continue. Okay, keep calm and help me find the page again. So it's quite easy, right? You just use move forward and turn right, and after turn right, you can use the repeat block and count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you can use this. It means that you move forward for 5 times, and after that, turn right and move forward. And you use only 7 block of code only. 7 of 9 block of code. Then let's go. Oh, not 5. Sorry, it's only 4. Okay, it's problem. It's bug. Okay. So go to the puzzle 10 and you can read the code. Okay. Read through the code below very carefully what will happen when you click run. Okay. For A, you can see the bird will end up one step short of the pig. And B, the bird will make it to the pig. The bird will run into TNT. The bird will run into the wall. So you can read the code. So for the first one is turn left. Oh, the Angry Bird is turn left. Turn left will be go to the wall, okay? And after that, turn left again. Your bird will be turn to the opposite right now, okay? Opposite way. And after that, move forward, okay? After move forward, turn left and move forward for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this block of code, yes, I choose B. The bird will make it to the pig, okay? What about you? You can check it A, B, C, or D. Okay, but for me, I choose B and click run. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Correct. Okay, we continue to the puzzle 11. Okay, now make the sneak help me sneak up on the pig any way you want to. Okay, anyway, so it's up to you. It's no limited block of code. Okay, it's up to you. But you find the the short way to go to the pig. So for me, I use the repeat block for 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, and after that, I turn right. After turn right, I use repeat block again and remove. You can move forward for 1, 2, and 3 times again. Okay, 3 times, and after that, you can turn left. Okay, and move forward for 2 times. Okay, so I think this block code is correct. Run. 1, 2, and 3. Turn right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Turn left. 1, 2. Oh, problem here. You can use the repeat block 3 times. Okay, so run again. It's right, 100% is correct. Okay, that's correct. Continue. Okay, the birds need your help. The pig is hiding, and the goal to find it. So now you can go move forward 1. Okay, move forward, and after that turn right. After turn right, you use the repeat block first, and you can move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 time of move forward, and after that turn left. Okay, after turn left, you move forward for the 2 times. 1, 2, and after that turn left again, and use the repeat block again. Just move forward for 2 times again. Let's go. Wow, that's cool. 1, 2. Okay, we go to the last puzzle here. Okay, sometimes there is more than one way to solve the same problem. Okay, sometimes it's faster to go backward than it go forward. Okay, so you can see this. If Angry Bird go forward, you can see the step 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 10 steps to reach the peak. So what you have to do is you have to turn your Angry Bird backward. Okay, so it's quite easy, right? So you can use the move backward block to move the Angry Bird backward. Okay, so after that you have to move forward for 2 times. Okay, you can use move forward, and after that you have to turn your Angry Bird to right. Okay, not left. Turn right and move forward for 2 times again. Okay, and after that turn right and move forward for 2 times again. Okay, move forward. Okay, run. Oh, what problem is? Now let's see. Let me see run again. Ah, sorry. Before you move backward, because problem is here. Delete this. You have to use the move backward for 2 times to turn your Angry Bird. And after that, what you have to do is turn your Angry Bird to the left, okay? And then move forward for 2 times. After that, turn to the right. Okay, let me see. Like this. 1, 2. Turn left. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Finish it. Okay, congratulations everyone. You complete the lesson 1, programming with Angry Bird. Okay. See you again in the lesson 2 in the next video.